In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again. Click on Privacy section located under Updates and tap on Permission Manager. Now just click on one of your device's features that you wish to manage. In my case, camera. Finally, tap on one of your apps, like Chrome, and click on the best option for you in order to apply it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I click and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this browser. But you can always select any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage. Then click on it. Now, instead of selecting one of those options, click on See All your app, in this case Chrome, permissions at the bottom. Now you can manage all of them only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!